Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the grill, there are 4 push clips on the top. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver to pry them up and unlock them. Both sides. Use a trim clip tool. So kind of pry on them a bit. Sometimes they take a little bit of force to get them to unclip. There are 2 clips on either side of the grill. They're kind of hidden. You can get to them. You'd access the clips through here to release them on either side. Ours are broken. They actually clip through the headlights. So without those in place, there's the bottom of the grill clips to the top of the bumper. You just kind of slide it out. You may need to slide a screwdriver in there and just push the lock tabs in. But this one's pretty loose, so it came right out. To remove the hood latch, there's 2 10mm bolts here. There's one hidden behind this plastic cover. To remove the plastic cover, it's clipped in on both sides. I'm gonna use a small flat-bladed screwdriver and just kind of pry it down a bit. And you have to look in here and find the clip. I'm just gonna push it in to unlock it. There's that one. Once I got that one loose, it popped out. You're basically just pushing in on these tabs to get it to pop out. Put that aside. Use a 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet. Just remove them all. Just gotta hold on to this. It doesn't fall. Unclip the hood release cable, pulling it straight out. And then you have to maneuver the cable out from the hook around the little ball there. And you take your hood latch right out. Take our hood cable to latch it in around that hook, so just kind of maneuver it in. Flip it around, clip it into place. Grab one of the bolts, and we can see where the outline of the hood latch was. So as far as alignment, since this one was working okay, the hood alignment seemed all right. I'm going to put it, you can see where there's an outline. I'm just going to line it up the exact same way. If you needed to, you can adjust this side to side and up and down. But for now, I'm just going to line it up where it was originally. I'm going to reinstall this plastic cover. It's got a couple hooks in the back. Just hook it up in the back, snap it into place. And it's always a good idea to take some penetrating oil and just lube up your hood latch so it's easy for it to open. It is right on the front of the vehicle, so it can get rusty. These are the clips and brackets that are supposed to be mounted on the back of our grill. It's broken on both sides, but they would clip into here on the headlights on both sides and help hold the grill in. You don't 100% need them, but if you have yours, you can clip them back in. These clips on the bottom of the grill are going to go underneath this lip. Push it down like that. Slide it up under that lip into place. And put the push clips back in place. The grill is back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.